In this tutorial, we will walk through how to create a new rubric. To go over the rubric management dashboard and review the terms used in this tutorial, watch part 1. First, give the rubric a name and description. These are only seen in the rubric management page. Note that the Save button at the top only saves the name and description. You may need more criteria than the default 4. To add a new criteria, click the Add New button in the right-hand corner. Next, we'll edit the criteria details. To do so, click Edit in the Actions column. Change the name from default criteria to whatever you'd like, and then add a description. Below the description is a section for grade and text box options. Select Use Grade if you want students to grade their peers using a numeric scale, or select Use Text Box if you would prefer students to leave qualitative responses. You may choose either or both of these options. Be sure to click the Save button at the top of the page at this point. Note that the Save button on this page does not save anything below the grade and text box options. Next, type your milestone into the description column and then click Save in the Actions column. You must save each milestone individually or you will lose work. If you would like fewer milestones, you may delete them by clicking Delete in the Action column, or add more milestones by clicking the Add New button. You'll notice that no matter how many milestones you add or delete, the highest value will always be whatever you set the full mark to. Once you've set your milestones, click the Back button to exit the criteria page. Repeat the same steps with the remaining criteria. Next, to change the full mark, type in a new number and select Update Marks. Note that the numbers may not be higher than 100. Finally, select the weights of each of the criteria and click Update Weights. The numbers must add to 100%, otherwise you'll be prompted to change them. And we're done! Now that we've created a rubric, you may assign this rubric to any of your assignments. If you're an instructor, see our video on how to add and edit assignments. If you're an admin who needs to assign a rubric to an entire program, see our video on project templates.